For this project, we will convert an old hard drive into a speaker. To do this, we will reuse the magnet and arm coil. Let's first start by quickly explaining how a hard drive and speaker work. A hard drive has a set of magnetic disks or platters where data is written on. To write the data, there is an arm with a magnetic head that polarizes or changes the magnetic charge of the different sections of the disk to write and read the data. This arm moves around to get the magnetic head to the different parts of the disk. A magnet has a north and south pole. When we have a coil attached to something mechanical like a speaker or hard drive head, and we pass a current through the coil in one direction, the coil will be magnetized and its south pole will be attracted to the north pole of the magnet and the speaker moves. If we now change the direction of the current, we will also change the direction of the magnetic field on the coil. This will cause the coil and speaker to move in other direction. Here's what you'll need: an old hard drive, an audio amplifier, a multimeter, 2 mono audio cables, speaker wire, crazy glue, screwdriver with a Torx bit, wire strippers, needle nose pliers, wire cutters, solder, and iron. Remove all the Torx screws that hold down the hard drive cover. You will need to remove the label to expose one of the screws. Carefully remove the cover to expose a disc, magnet, coil, and arm. Expose and take a look at the hard drive components. Remove 2 more screws that hold down a small electronic board connected to a flat cable that controls the coil that moves the arm. Carefully and making sure the flat cable isn't damaged, flip the small board over to expose the pins on the other side. Using crazy glue or tape, hold down the small board of the body of the hard drive. Find a resistance between 4 to 40 ohms. This is done to find the 2 ends of the arm coil. In this case, our coil measures 10 ohms. Strip the ends off a piece of a speaker wire. With help of an adult, solder one leg of the wire on each of the 2 pins we found and connect this speaker wire to one of the mono audio cables. Plug this cable into the output of the audio amplifier and the other mono audio cable to one of the inputs of the audio amplifier and to the source of audio. In this case, we use my iPod.